Hey guys, check this out. I wanted to break down what Ethereum is. Ethereum is a blockchain network that is centrally controlled, meaning that it is more secure from hacks and fraud. The network is powered by the Ether token, ETH, which can be used to make transactions, earn interest through staking, store non-fungible tokens, which we call NFTs, trade cryptocurrencies, play games, use social media, and much more. Supporting the Ethereum network through donations is thus very important to help keep the network secure and running smoothly. Now, when we look at Ethereum, we look at everything it's done so far, we see that Ethereum has not even scratched the surface with its ultimate potential. The founder, Vitalik Buterin, saw the potential for blockchain technology to do more than just streamline financial transactions. He believed that by unifying the way decentralized applications function, adoption would follow suit. And so Ethereum was born. So of course, Ethereum and building such a network is not inexpensive. So Buterin and his collaborators, Gavin Wood, Jeffrey Wickle, Charles Hoskinson, and a handful of others held a token pre-sale to raise $18,439,086 in Ether, funding Ethereum's present and future developments. The decentralized nature of Ethereum network is thanks to users acting as nodes. So rather than relying on a centralized server, this makes the network much more secure and resilient to attacks, as there is no single point of failure. If one computer goes down, it doesn't matter, as there are thousands of others supporting the network. So Ethereum is fundamentally a single decentralized system that runs a computer called Ethereum Virtual Machine. So what that is each node possesses a copy of that computer, meaning that any interactions must be verified by everyone so they can update their copy. Mining to verify transactions is known as proof of work consensus. So with that method, they are committing their computer power to find a unique 64-digit code within a block. Miners prove their uniqueness of that code and are rewarded in ETH for their efforts. So we look at Ethereum and we look at everything it's come to this point before the ETH merge. The explosive growth of decentralized finance and different applications on Ethereum network is one of the most significant achievements in recent years. The popularity of these dApps continue to increase with more and more people using them on a daily basis. This in turn leads to more people using Ethereum network as a whole. Of all different DeFi ecosystems out there, Ethereum is by far the largest and most successful. The success of individual DeFi dApps result in increased awareness of adoption of Ethereum itself. The process of creating a block of transactions to be added to the Ethereum blockchain is referred to as mining. Ethereum currently uses proof of work blockchain, but is moving to proof of stake. POS, proof of stake, which is Ethereum 2.0 for scalability purposes, is more environmentally friendly approach to run a blockchain. So with that being said, Ethereum is progressing towards 2.0 version, which will be implementing proof of stake consensus algorithm. The transition is planned to occur in 2022 of this year and will involve the Ethereum network merging with the Beacon chain, which is the first new feature of Ethereum 2.0. Sharding is a process of dividing the Ethereum network into multiple smaller networks called shards. So by doing this, the users with weaker hardware can still validate Ethereum transactions, as they only need to store information from their assigned shard. The upcoming mainstream adoption for Ethereum 2.0 has many cryptocurrency enthusiasts feeling bullish. However, all the recent activity has resulted in high transaction fees and slower validation time. This can create a problem, as fees can cost more than half the transaction amounts at times. Fortunately, dApp developers are hard at work to make it more accessible. You cannot purchase cryptocurrencies from a bank or an online broker such as Vanguard or Fidelity. Instead, you must use cryptocurrency trading platforms. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges available, varying from simple to complex dashboards for advanced traders. There's so many different platforms and different pricing and different security measures, so it's wise to do some research before signing up with a certain exchange. So investing in Ethereum is risky but potentially rewarding endeavor. And as the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum has the potential to yield high returns for investors. However, with any investment, there's always a certain amount of risk. Those who are considering investing in Ethereum should do their own research and be aware of the potential risks and rewards before making decisions. The Ethereum blockchain has seen such a surge in popularity in recent months as more and more developers are using it to construct a variety of decentralized finance projects and NFTs. The emergence of new applications like these, some of the first to run on a public blockchain, has already triggered a tremendous network effect. According to advocates, and these activity increases, more developers are drawn to Ethereum, fueling more growth for Ethereum and the Ethereum token, ETH. So be on the lookout for Ethereum and its upcoming growth. Hopefully we explain that very clearly to you about what Ethereum is and the problems that it's solving. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.